Looking to upgrade your iPhone this year but not sure which model really delivers? In this video, we're breaking down the top picks, comparing design, performance, camera power, and value to help you choose the one that fits your needs best. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. iPhone 16e. Kicking off the list at number 5, this model is clearly aimed at the more budget-conscious Apple fans, but it still packs a decent punch where it counts. The flat aluminum edges and slightly smaller 6.1-inch OLED display make it one of the more compact options this year, perfect for users who prefer a pocketable iPhone without sacrificing too much screen quality. Performance-wise, it runs on the A17 chip, which might not be Apple's latest and greatest, but it's still fast enough to handle everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking without a hitch. It even supports iOS 18 features like AI-generated message summaries and interactive widgets, though some of the more advanced capabilities remain exclusive to the Pro lineup. One standout improvement over its predecessor is the slightly better battery life. It's nothing game-changing, but you'll appreciate that extra hour or two if you're often away from a charger. However, if you're expecting a huge camera upgrade or a USB-C port, this one might leave you wanting more. The same old Lightning connector sticks around, and the camera setup is largely unchanged from the iPhone 15. Compared to what's coming up next, this entry is a smart pick for those who want the Apple ecosystem experience without breaking the bank. Just keep in mind that it's more of an evolutionary step than a revolutionary one. Number 4. iPhone 15. Landing at number 4, this one might come as a surprise. Despite being last year's model, it continues to win over buyers. Over 1,000 units sold on Amazon just last month alone. That says a lot about its staying power in the ever-evolving iPhone lineup. Thanks to its A16 Bionic chip, it still delivers smooth performance whether you're streaming, gaming, or juggling multiple apps. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display offers vibrant colors and sharp detail, matching what you get in this year's entry-level model. And unlike the newer budget option, it introduced the Dynamic Island, which makes notifications and live activities feel more fluid and interactive. Where it still holds its own is the design. It's light, sleek, and comes in soft matte pastel finishes that still feel fresh in 2025. Plus, it finally made the jump to USB-C, a move many had been waiting on for years, giving it a real edge over the newer 16e that still clings to Lightning. That said, it lacks some of the newer AI-powered features found in iOS 18, mainly due to hardware limitations. And while its dual camera system is solid, it doesn't quite push boundaries in low light or zoom like some of the higher-end models do. Overall, this is the perfect sweet spot for buyers who want a modern iPhone experience without paying the Pro Premium. It might not be the latest, but its blend of features, performance, and now lowered price point make it a very compelling option in 2025. Number 3. iPhone 15 Pro Max. At number 3, what really sets this one apart is its photography game. The triple camera setup includes a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom, delivering crisp, detailed shots even in tough lighting. For mobile photographers or anyone capturing on-the-go content, it's still one of the strongest setups Apple has ever released. It's also one of the first iPhones to embrace USB-C, a long-awaited shift that opened the door for faster data transfers and simplified charging, especially if you're juggling other modern devices. That alone puts it a step ahead of both the standard 15 and the more recent 16e when it comes to real-world convenience. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion tech is another standout. With its 120Hz refresh rate, every scroll and swipe feels fluid and responsive. Whether you're gaming or watching content in HDR, it delivers a premium viewing experience that still holds up against today's newest models. At its core is the A17 Pro chip, built on a cutting-edge 3-nanometer process. Not only does it keep performance ultra-smooth, but it also enables advanced features like ray tracing, bringing console-level gaming closer than ever to your pocket. Even in 2025, this model hasn't lost its edge. While newer options may offer incremental AI improvements, this one remains a powerhouse, blending top-tier performance, photography, and design into a package that continues to outshine many mid-tier phones released this year. Number 2. iPhone 16. Sliding into the number 2 spot is a device that strikes a perfect balance between cutting-edge innovation and everyday usability. It doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, but the refinements it brings feel smart and purposeful. At the heart of this model is the A18 Bionic chip, engineered for advanced AI capabilities. This powerhouse processor enables features like real-time image editing, intelligent text suggestions, and personalized user experiences, making your interactions smoother and more intuitive. Whether you're using on-device AI to organize your photos or to generate smart replies in messages, it adds a new layer of usefulness without overwhelming the experience. The camera system has seen a significant upgrade, featuring a 48-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This setup delivers stunning photos and videos, even in low-light conditions, thanks to enhanced image processing algorithms. It's not quite at the Pro Max level, especially in Zoom and Pro Video tools, but for most users, it hits the sweet spot of simplicity and quality. Design-wise, it maintains a sleek and durable build, with a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display that offers vibrant colors and sharp details. The introduction of the customizable action button adds a new layer of convenience, allowing quick access to your favorite functions, whether that's launching the camera, starting a voice memo, or triggering a shortcut. Battery life is impressive, supporting up to 22 hours of video playback, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. Additionally, the device supports faster wireless charging at 25 watts, reducing downtime, and unlike its budget sibling, it features USB-C, making charging and data transfers far more versatile. It may lack a high refresh rate display, which some gamers and power users will notice, but overall, this one nails the fundamentals and then some. For those who want modern power, long-term support, and that signature Apple polish without jumping into pro territory, this is a top-tier pick in 2025. Number 1. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Taking the number 1 spot is the most advanced iPhone Apple has ever made, pushing boundaries not just in power, but in how seamlessly a smartphone can blend into daily life. This isn't just an incremental upgrade over its predecessor, it's a refined leap forward in nearly every key area. It starts with the massive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display featuring ProMotion. The 120Hz refresh rate makes every interaction, from scrolling your newsfeed to gaming, feel ultra smooth and responsive. And with peak brightness levels hitting new highs, visibility in direct sunlight is no longer a struggle. Inside, the A18 Pro chip is a beast. Built on a second-gen 3nm process, it's designed with AI at its core. From real-time voice isolation during calls to generating custom photo albums based on your habits, this iPhone is constantly working in the background to make your experience smarter, not just faster. Ray tracing is even more efficient now, so gaming performance pushes closer to console quality than ever before. The camera system is where it takes a major leap. The 48-megapixel main sensor now supports even more advanced computational photography, while the new 5x tetraprism telephoto lens delivers sharper, more stable zoom. Whether you're capturing video in cinematic mode or editing ProRAW shots, the results are nothing short of stunning. And for creators, onboard video editing tools paired with USB-C's lightning-fast transfer speeds make this a mobile content studio. Battery life has also been quietly improved, easily handling a full day of heavy use, and fast charging feels noticeably quicker thanks to enhanced power management. Even the build quality is better, with titanium edges making the device both lighter and more durable than previous models. When you stack it up against everything else on this list, from the budget-friendly 16e to the still solid 15 Pro Max, this is the model that pulls together Apple's best ideas into a single premium experience. It's the ultimate choice for those who want the absolute best iPhone money can buy in 2025. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech rankings just like this. Got a favorite from the list, or one you think we missed? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.